Hello Huskies, welcome to Captain Marvel to level 9. Now we no longer have our algebra tiles, now we need to really focus on our rules. So our steps are going to help us. Let's start with number 1. Check for double negatives, and here's an example, they're side by side. If we look over here, we do not have a double negative. So now we can move on to step 2. Highlight all integers. So we're going to do that right now. Positive 15 is going to be yellow. Going to go here, and then we have negative 8, and that's going to be in red, okay? Because it's a negative number, and there we go. Now we can move on to step 3, create the integer rule. So we have more algebra tiles that are yellow, more positive, so I'm going to put a big yellow right here, and then I'm going to put a small red because we have less of those tiles if we were to actually use them. And now we know that when we have red and yellow, we make 0 pairs. So we're going to have to subtract because we're making 0 pairs. So we'll put that there. We're going to have to subtract. And when we subtract, since there's more yellow, we're going to have yellow for our answer. Positive number. Now let's go ahead and fill in the table, starting with the integer with the most tiles. Like we said, 15, positive 15 has the most tiles, so that's going to be in yellow. Let's go ahead and highlight that in yellow, and then we're going to put our negative 8, and now it's in red. Highlight that. I know there's a lot of highlighting, but it's going to help you understand the problem. And we said we're going to subtract, so please do not forget to grab your sign here that says subtract. Put it very carefully. Subtract. So now we get to subtract, and we know that our answer is going to be a positive number because we have more positives. Okay, so our answer is going to be a positive 7, and we're going to go ahead and highlight that in yellow. And over here, don't forget to put your final answer. You don't have to put positive 7, you can go ahead and put 7, but when you put 7, it's going to be a yellow because it is a positive. And there you go, Huskies. I used all the steps because step 5 was to simplify. And this is the part where I simplify. Thank you.